Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Subaru Outback. Stock number is A6861. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end, you have a rear backup camera, and this Subaru is all-wheel drive. So on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need additional storage room. Power assist liftgate, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Power adjustable seats. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls are mounted here. Full touch screen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Subaru on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.